All right, today we're going to bring a crossbody bag, and this is actually good for traveling. So when you're traveling out there and you don't want to hold a purse or maybe a luggage or something, and you want to keep your passports or your IDs close to you, this is perfect. All you got to do is wear this across your body, and it's strapped really good. If you guys can see, this is actually leather, and it has other compartments besides the front pockets that you can put your phone here. This actually has a little pocket for your phone in the front. You can always keep an eye on your phone. You got plenty of bags in here to carry on anything you want. And then there's a little zipper bag here where it could be your change money here. There's another little secret compartment right here, which is works more like a fanny pack too. Also, if you put it across your body too. So it's not that bad, and it has a little clip so you could clip on different things too. This is adjustable. You could adjust it to any size you want. I like that it has an extra bag here. It has a zipper, and they come various colors, but this is a leather, beautiful, strong. So if somebody's trying to pull it off from you, it's going to be tough to get it off. Crossbody bag. Hope you enjoy the video.